Welcome to Fact Fusion. Today, we unveil the 9 deadliest birds on the planet. Prepare yourself for a journey into the wild side of nature, where beauty and danger intertwine. And stay tuned for our number 1 pick, a bird so deadly, it's actually poisonous. 1. Cassowary. The cassowary, a prehistoric-looking marvel, stands as the 2nd largest bird in the world, weighing up to 175 pounds and towering at 5 feet. This Australian native is a force to be reckoned with. A powerful kick from their legs, armed with a 4-inch dagger-like claw, can be deadly. Known for their fierce territoriality, disturbing a cassowary can provoke a lethal response. Notably, in 1926, a teenage boy lost his life to a cassowary attack, and recently, a 75-year-old man met the same fate. These rare but fatal encounters remind us to respect these majestic, yet dangerous creatures. 2. Australian magpie. Next, we have the Australian magpie. During nesting season, these birds become highly aggressive, defending their territory with relentless attacks. In residential areas, magpie attacks are so common that pedestrians are advised to wear wide-brimmed hats or carry umbrellas as shields. A sudden magpie attack can cause serious injury or even traffic accidents, making these birds a formidable presence in the land down under. 3. Southern giant petrel. Imagine a seabird as an apex predator. Enter the southern giant petrel. With a wingspan of up to 6 feet and speeds of 45 miles per hour, this aggressive hunter preys on both dead and live creatures. Feeding on penguins and other seabirds, the giant petrel exhibits no mercy, even drowning larger birds to secure its meal. This seabird is a reminder that danger can come from unexpected places. 4. Bearded vulture. The bearded vulture, or lammergeier, is one of the largest and oldest vultures in the world. With a wingspan reaching 9 feet and a diet consisting mostly of bones, these vultures drop bones from great heights to access the marrow. This bone-dropping technique, also used on prey like tortoises, can pose serious risks to anyone below. Their unique feeding habits make them both fascinating and hazardous. 5. Peregrine falcon asterisk. The peregrine falcon, the fastest bird on Earth, dives at speeds up to 240 miles per hour to catch its prey. With such incredible velocity, even the quickest animals stand no chance. Masters of the sky, peregrine falcons are found across the globe, their predatory prowess making them a symbol of speed and precision. Which of these birds do you think is the most dangerous? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more incredible animal stories on our channel. Thank you for watching Fact Fusion. See you in the next adventure.